How much energy are you giving away to other people's drama? This was a question that came up in a coaching session I just had with one of my favorite clients. And when that question came out, we both kind of paused and said, oh, yeah. And it came on the back end of a quote that I'll paraphrase from Byron Katie. She says, there are 3 types of business: my business, other people's business, and God's business. And only one of those am I concerned with. But if you're anything like me, you know how easy it is to get sucked into other people's drama. When that email pops up with that text, when you see that couple at the other table, when somebody cuts in front of you in traffic, when you hear something that your boss or your colleague did, how easy is it to instantly give huge amounts of energy, attention to that drama, even if it has nothing to do with you? Our energy and our attention is finite, and we are created to create, which means that all the energy that we give to other people's drama is energy that we are robbing ourselves of being able to create and contribute to this life. So I'm curious how many of you have a mindfulness practice, a way to bring your attention back to the present moment, back to that which is in your realm of influence. I had something from a good friend yesterday. We had a group meeting and she was explaining something that she's been doing for the past 3 months. It was really cool. She said, I've been getting quite brutal with my thoughts because every time a thought pops up, as soon as I am aware of it, I ask myself, or I make the comment, this is a thought and I am the witnesser of this thought. And as I paired that with that simple act of awareness, I thought how well that could fit in with this whole my business, other people's business, God's business. Because when I'm aware of my thoughts, I've created some distance. For a moment, the drama is gone and I am there with a rational mind looking at my thought. And as I do that, if that thought is about somebody else's drama, I can get quite brutal with myself to say, not my monkeys, not my circus. And this is one of my favorite quotes because it makes me giggle every time and it makes it easier to lay it down. Now, the brutal or the intense part might be that that thought might pop up 50 more times during the day. And this is our mental fitness. This is about how we get our minds fit to direct our energy and attention in those places that actually serves us. Because even if you have to do it 50 times, not my monkeys, not my circus. And over time, you will be shocked how quickly that habit builds in order to give you back that energy, to bring back attention, so that you can begin to look at the things that you actually have influence over, so you can begin increasing your contribution and increasing your connectivity to that which you would like to create, to the capacity for making this life one that you actually want to wake up to every morning. So I'm curious if you have other ways bringing more mindfulness into how do we bring our attention and our energy back to our own realm of influence so that we can create with curiosity, passion, and joy in lives that we actually want to live in.